Hello, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. A lot of you actually asked me, so what is the source of the syllabus, right? I mean, syllabus is not mentioned. Syllabus दिया नहीं हुआ है UBI SO के notification पे. तो आप कहाँ से कर रहे हो? So that is why I'm making today's session to tell you exactly what is the source of the syllabus and which books I'm referring to. Let's start the session, and there let me tell you one thing. देर आर फ्यू ब्लॉग्स, कुछ एक वेबसाइट्स हैं जो फ्यूचर में पेज व्यूज़ वगैरह के लिए दे आर गोइंग टू मेक ब्लॉग पोस्ट और वीडियोस, बड़ी बड़ी भी हैं साइट्स, बट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कुछ रीजनिंग रखें बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर प्रिपरेशन, that whether that particular syllabus is reliable or not. Just go through this session and then you can take a good decision. ठीक है? What is the source of this syllabus that I'm going to discuss? पहला तो है syllabus of certificate course in forex conducted by IIBF. So there is a mention, उसमें mention किया हुआ है notification में, if you have certificate course in forex conducted by IIBF, then you are preferred, आपको prefer किया जाता है. That is a very first point, right? And secondly, that is objective, that is given, दिया हुआ है. Then there is some subjectivity based on the previous papers and our experience and exam trends. According to that, we have prepared the syllabus and we are conducting our classes. So team bank exams today is working from last 5 years. So we have some experience in that, obviously a lot of experience actually. So according to that, we have framed the syllabus. उसके हिसाब से हमने ये बनाया. Then basics of technical and fundamental analysis. To understand the forex market, आपको technical और basics of fundamental analysis आपको पता होने चाहिए, ठीक है? For that, you need to have understanding of financial management, basics of financial management and basics of risk management. ज़्यादा deep में नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है? And the books or notes that I'm referring to, there is a module by chartered ICAI का एक module है, CS Institute का एक module है, और official website of RBI और जितनी भी official websites हैं उसमें जो भी relevant है, we are following that. FEDI की website है, we are also following that. All these websites I am following as of the moment, right? I'm not following any book by any private publisher because that is not relevant according to me. You can also follow that certificate course module by IIBF. CIIB के BFM के module में भी थोड़ा सा portion है, but that is not comprehensive. जो CIIB में forex का एक छोटा सा पोर्शन है वो उतना कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नहीं है, सो आई वोंट रिकमेंड दैट है, लेकिन डिटेल में नहीं है. सो फॉर द प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज यू नीड टू हैव बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर योर personal interview and GD. If you do not have the basic understanding of the markets, then it would be difficult for you. What is foreign market? And it's working in India, the currency pairs, the terminology, the types of order, the pips, lots, points, leverages, short selling. These are the basic terms. If you do not know the basics, how would you answer that complicated questions, or how would you actually participate in GEDs? अब GED वगैरह में participate अच्छे से नहीं कर पाओगे. Even for the risk management, that will actually enhance your knowledge, the basic knowledge about the financial markets. जिस बंदे को basics of derivatives नहीं पता, option trading नहीं पता, basics, right? ये terms का ही नहीं पता, you won't be able to understand anything at the time of GD or interviews. They are going to ask you complicated questions. तो ये आपको पता होने चाहिए. What is leveraging? What is short selling? If there is somebody, for example, you appear for the interview and they ask you about short selling. अगर आपको short selling नहीं पता, I can assure you interview में fail कर देंगे. So these are the basic terms. This is the basic that you need to understand before even starting your preparation, right? And for the preparation, you need to start with FEDI rule and the rules of FEDI. Okay, basic rules से start कीजिए, right? And then the forex facilities for resident Indians, for non-resident Indians, different chapters are there. Okay. And then the import of goods and services, outward remittances. ECB is an important topic. RBI circulars regarding the ECBs, and for any topics, if there is an RBI circular, we need to follow that. Export of goods and services. The foreign currency account in India, foreign currency accounts outside India, investment outside India, investment in India by NRIs, by FFIs, FDIs, right? Purchase of equity shares, convertible debentures issued by Indian companies, investment by registered FIIs in India, purchase and sale of securities other than shares and convertible debentures by FIIs in India. So, documentary credits and standby credits, export finance and foreign trade policy 2015-2020. This is the basic syllabus, students. This is the basic syllabus of Forex. फॉरेक्स का इतना ही सिलेबस है, देर इज़ नथिंग मोर देन दैट, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ है भी नहीं है. यू आर basically you're not supposed to have, I would say, in-depth knowledge of the brokerage platforms. रॉटर वॉटर्स का आपको प्लेटफॉर्म का नॉलेज होना उतना रिक्वायर्ड भी नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, राइट, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू हैव इन डेप्थ वर्किंग knowledge. So if you have that much knowledge, that is sufficient. It is not that easy, I would say, right? But if you have the knowledge of this module this much, right, and plus the basic knowledge, there will be a lot of questions from the basics as well. If you're appearing for assistant manager, there will be a lot of questions from the basics as well. And yes, one more important thing, student, numericals would be there. Numericals are important. Numericals would be there. Just don't do the theoretical part. Numericals would be there, right? Some of the numericals, I would say there will be 5 to 10 numericals in the exam, and we would be covering numericals as well in the course, right? So how we are dealing with it? We are providing video classes. We have started with the history of the forex markets, and then we have done the derivatives and the option strategies, and now we are doing FEDI. We are going really fast, but I'll try to slow down now. So FEDI rule, it's not in-depth topic, I would say, but rules of FEDI, it's a really in-depth topic, I would say. I need to do that in parts. There will be, I guess, 2 or 3 parts of FEDI rules, and then that's how we are going to move forward. And we have already started the classes. There are proper video classes for all the sections, followed by proper notes, and there are proper quizzes, right? There is complete study material in PDF format, full length test series is there, chapter wise tests are there, and proper systematic study plan is there. And we are providing interview preparation guidance, right? So proper interview preparation guidance is there. A list of our successful students who took the course in the past, IBPS RRB Scale 2 and Scale 3 2020. All these students that took a course in the past and they cracked their respective exams, I'm really, really happy for them. All these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their exams, I'm really happy for them. And this is for IBPS RRB Scale 2 and Scale 3 in 2019. And then in Bank of India Credit Officer and Analyst in 2020, right? Vijaya Bank Credit Officer 2019, Bank of India Credit Officer 2018. All these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams, I'm really, really happy for them. If there is any doubt in your mind, still if you have any doubt, you are unable to understand anything, you can just drop me a WhatsApp message. Link to the course is available in the description. Just check the description. You can join the course as well. And that's actually all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. If there is any doubt, just post your doubts. I'm gonna answer your doubts anyways, right? Let me just check. This is a live session, so you should be able to ask your doubts, and let me just open it. If you have any doubts, students, please ask your doubts, and I'm going to answer your doubts. What is the technical officer syllabus, students? For Forex, I have mentioned. For risk I'll made another video. For the PGDM marketing applied for RRBMO, please ask the related questions, right? PGDM marketing, please follow the official notification. Today we are discussing about this exam. Still, if there is any other doubt, you can WhatsApp me, okay? And that's actually all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your doubts, and that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a